Okay, in this video, we are going to talk about the median or the middle of a data set. So let's just say we have the following pieces of data. And these are just going to be numerical pieces of data. So we'll say we have 10, 14, maybe 17, 23, and 25. Okay, so here I have 5 pieces of data. Now, the first thing I want to do is arrange the data from smallest to largest. And in this case, this is already arranged for me. Okay, so then I want to count how many data values are in this set. And we said already that this has 5 data values. Now, if there are an odd number of data values, we just want the middle value. So in this case, we have 5 pieces of data. So the middle value, we would look here, we would see is 17. Okay, this is easy to see that you have 2 pieces of data below 17, 2 pieces of data above 17. Sometimes you may need to count. So here I would do 5 divided by 2, which would give me 2.5. And then you can go 1, 2, and then it's the one after that, 0.5. And 1, 2, 0.5 right there. Okay, so your middle piece of data would have exactly the same number of data on either side. Now, let's say we take that same data set and we add another value to it. So let's say maybe it's a 12 right here. Well, now this is an even number. There are 6 pieces of data. So when there are 6 pieces of data in a set, we want to find the average or the mean of the middle 2 values. Okay, so the middle of 6 would be 3. So we would go here to the end, 1, 2, 3. This is the third piece of data. Then we would go to the higher end and go 1, 2, 3. This is your third piece of data. So your 2 middle numbers are 14 and 17. So you want to find the mean of those numbers. So you'll do 14 plus 17 divided by 2. Now 14 plus 17, I believe, is 31. Let's take a look. 31, and 31 divided by 2 is going to be 15.5. So the median of this data set is 15.5, even though it doesn't appear in the data set. Okay, so when there's an even number of values, you can have a median that isn't actually in the data set. Okay, it's just in the middle of all of this data.